Okay, this is a really quick video just showing you how to solder. When you solder, you've got to make sure that the circuit board is nice and clean. There's not a plastic layer over the copper which helps it etch. So what I do is get a piece of wire wool and just scour that circuit board just to make sure we remove the plastic. Done. Right. Next up, we'll make sure the soldering iron is nice and clean. We can see this is really dirty. You've got to make sure that your sponge you're using is moist but not wet. You should be able to squeeze that and no moisture come out. If that's damp, moist, you can see that we get a nice shiny tip to our soldering iron. Okay, we've got some components here. I'm using resistors today. I'm going to thread through the resistors. I'm going to thread through the resistors on the board. Just splay the legs slightly. And then put it in my second hand just to help me. Next up, I'm going to apply that chisel tip, this tip here of the soldering iron, to the leg of the component. Okay, and heat up that leg for about 3 seconds. I'm then going to apply the solder to the soldering iron tip and make it molten so that that floods down onto the track, heats up the track and makes a bond. Let's see if it works. Okay, I'm going to apply that for about 3 seconds. In I go with my solder, wait for about 3 seconds and pull it away. And can you see we've got a nice joint there. We don't pull away too quickly. If we pull away too quickly, the solder doesn't bond to the track. So just once more, we're going to heat that leg up. In we go with the solder. When we pull the soldering iron away, we should really follow that leg up like that. And what that creates, what that's meant to create, is a nice volcano looking joint. There we are, that's soldering.